Now we can continue with cleaning equipment. And we have manual equipment and mechanical equipment. Among the manual equipment that we normally use in housekeeping, we have what we call double mopping unit. At some time you can also find single mopping units, but here we have double mopping units because it has 2 buckets and is what we use especially with this type of mop, as I told you before when we was in description of tools. But when you don't have this one, you can't stop cleaning. You can also use the normal buckets, like the one we use at home with the normal mop I showed you before, together with cleaning tweezer. After this one, we have also vacuum cleaner or Hoover. It's used on carpets. You can't use the normal broom, but you use the Hoover. This is a very big one, but you can even find some small type of it. Here we have also scribing machine. The scribing machine is the very useful equipment in housekeeping because it have the double work. It can be used when scribing the carpets, or it can also used when polishing the tiles. But for using it, we will need different type of brushes. It's used with tiles. When you need to polish the tiles, you have to fix it down here before polishing. And when scribing the carpets, you need to put this type of brush under the scribing machine. Coming back here, we have the Hoover or vacuum cleaner. We use it for the carpets. This one is different with this one. When you are cleaning the carpet, this one is used like when you are sweeping the carpet, just removing small dust on the carpet. But this one is used when you are scribing, when you are washing the carpet with the wet cleaning, with water and other detergent. Here we have also a very important tool equipment in housekeeping. It's what we call housekeeping trolley or chambermaid trolley. It helps to carry different tools and equipment that we used in cleaning. You can put in different linen, room linen. You can put here different amenities. Here we can put dust or other rubbish from dustbin after putting in the big bin I showed you in cleaning tools. And to the other side, you can put in the dust linen removed from rooms or from other public places, like different towel removed in a bathrooms or removed on a swimming pool. When you use the trolley, you can put it on the other side. Even when you have a caddy box, after setting your caddy box, you have to put it down here. Let's proceed with cleaning agents, mostly called cleaning products. We can start with liquid cleaning agents, where we found in cleaning the toilet cleaner, useful to clean toilets or urinals. Here we also have multi-purpose cleaner. It's the same with this one, but this is in a jerry can. But for using it, remember in cleaning tools, we mentioned about spray bottles. If you need to use this type of cleaning of multi-purpose cleaner, we have to use the spray bottle. Here we have also glass cleaner or window cleaner for glasses. Here we have carpet shampoo. It's helpful while scrubbing the carpets. Here we have scouring products. It helps in scouring the bathtubs, toilets, but remember, you don't have to use it frequently, but you can use it once in a while, depending on the needs of it. Because when you use it every day, it damages the surface. This is furniture polish. It helps to clean the furniture in wood surface. This is an air freshener. It helps to give the pleasant smell that you have to spray after cleaning. This is a disinfectant. It comes in a big jerrycan. So this bottle, it works as this one. That's why we have to mark. If it is disinfectant, you write disinfectant. If it is multipurpose, you put in this, you write on multipurpose. We are done with the description of cleaning products. Please be ready for the use of all these products and tools, material, and equipment in short time. Thank you very much.
You